Hi, and welcome to Spike. Hi, I'm Kaushik from Spike. In this video, I'll walk you through our new UI and some of the bigger changes we've made. There are also plenty of quality of life improvements I'd invite you to explore. So, let's get started. Hello, this is your dashboard, and you'll notice a few things. First, on the sidebar, we've removed the Home tab. It now defaults to incidents every time you log in. On the header, we've added a Create Incident button so you can create incidents manually. We've also moved On Call up to the header so you can see who's on call from any page. There's also inviting team members and setting out of office. Plus, we have deprecated cooldown mode and deep work mode. On the Incidents tab, we've brought all your incidents into one place and divided them across quick views. You no longer have to switch between tabs just to find your resolved incidents. This is now your central home for incidents. Some of the quick filters here are finding critical incidents assigned to you and auto-resolved incidents as well. Back on the incident row, we've added quick action buttons to set priority, severity, muting an incident, or manage responders right from here. And to change the status of an incident, just click the status patch, select, and you're done. With your keyboard, you can now select one or more incidents with just shift down and up arrow buttons. And then you can run actions directly from the header. Spike now has Command K, and it's extremely powerful. Lots of powerful actions directly at your fingertips. Here, I'll acknowledge the selected incidents and I'll move it back to triggered. I can also go in and add responders. I'll add Jordan and Maya, and you can see how fast it is. So I think you will get a good use out of it. And finally, we've added a refresh button to incidents table. Welcome to the new incident page. It's designed to scale and much easier on your eyes. You can acknowledge and resolve the incident like before. And now, Spike has a resolve with resolution node. It's simple. Add your note and resolve in a single click. On the right hand side, you will see your action buttons, the same ones from the incident rows in the table before. Let's go ahead and add a responder. You'll notice the same UI components show up here, so it's just familiar throughout the application. We've also significantly improved the experience of browsing past occurrences of your incidents. After an incident is acknowledged, you may want to escalate it, and you'd normally have to unacknowledge it first. So Spike now brings a single CTA for it. It shows a pop-up and lets you unacknowledge and escalate at the same time. A big shout out to everyone who gave us this feedback. Thank you. Next up is the incident payload. We called it incident details before. You can copy values and keys and even search through it. And there's also Command K, which shows up here as well. Yeah, it kind of follows you around. But there are a bunch of actions available here, including more copy options. Scrolling down, you'll meet the activity log with some cosmetic changes. And more importantly, we have deprecated comments. Notes now act as a single source. You can tag people and even other incidents. Mark a note as a resolution and resolve the incident at the same time. Across automation actions, you can now create status page incidents from Spike and link it and also resolve it when this incident here is resolved on Spike. As before, you have playbooks, creating tickets on Linear in Jira, support tickets with Zendesk, Freshdesk, and triggering scripts and making incident public as well. That's everything on how we've revamped the entire incident show page. I would love to show you improvements to on-call. You'll notice how the calendar is bigger and it's easier to spot everyone. We've added a green dot to current on-call shift. There's also a new My Shifts filter, so you can see just your shifts. For when someone is on call, you can tap on their on-call shift and contact them. And now you can see who's on call next and when. All your layer configurations and the escalations are tucked away on the right, and adding an override is easy by just clicking on a shift. And now Spike introduces dragging across the entire calendar and adding an on-call override. This is really fast, and I believe it's going to be really handy as well. The on-call shift now also has a consolidated view, much like before, and we have a lot of plans for this in the future as well. Back on the on-call page, to switch between, you can just click on the on-call name, or you can use Command K, which also makes it much easier to swap between on-call schedules. And there are more actions for on-call to add overrides and sync options as well. You can continue to download your on-call report and add link calendars at the top of the page. So yeah, that's the new on-call. Fresh colors, more emphasis on the calendar, drag and drop, and just faster to use. We hope you like it. And finally, escalations, which has changed dramatically. The list of escalations is on the left, which is easy to navigate and switch between escalations, and the preview on the right. One nice thing we've added is you can now see who's on call if an alert is being sent to an on-call schedule. To edit, you just have to click on the preview and hit save. There's also an undo and redo option for changes in your current session. And we're introducing escalation history. This lets you see what changed in an escalation and when. We took inspiration from GitHub's and others' code style diff here, so it brings instant transparency around your escalation policy. Lastly, we're now showing the total duration with a little nudge on every escalation level, telling you exactly how long after an incident is triggered that this level will be reached. Like other sections, we're also bringing in filters and some pre-filters like this one, which gets you escalations alerting Slack channels. And that's it. That's everything we have for in escalations for you. And finally, we've taken your feedback on managing teams and made it much easier to browse teams and manage members in each one of them. There are also several other improvements across automation. Alert routing is much easier, and significant improvements to titled remapper. You can fetch existing incident if you like, and based on the payload of your incident, our editor will autocomplete. You can copy the AI prompt and hand it to your AI, which can help you with a really good incident title. But yeah, this is everything we've had for you. Thanks so much for sticking through the video. There are tons of changes, so do read our changelog. And thank you so much for being a Spike user. Have a great day.